have a garage over here, and we're gonna do both of them. There's two. That one doesn't have a light bulb way down there. This one does. So here are the two push buttons. There's got this one's a light button, and this one right here is a lock button, light button, lock button, and operate buttons. And well, you see, they've never replaced before, but in the meantime, press the button right here. The doors open very nicely. They're big. They're very big, and they're very noisy, and we can explain them later, but we'll put that down and open the other one. So you see, folks, one single door will close, and so I'm really liking these doors now, and well, in fact, there's a push button opener here I have not been using. This one does both at the same time, and this one does that doorway over there, and then this one does this door right here. So, and there's something on the outside as well. Here's how you keep this one all very long. Funny thing is, back when, well, maybe last year, I took the same video of these, and that other garage door over there doesn't really have a light bulb in there, but well, maybe next time in August when it's my birthday, I will put a light bulb in there, and I can actually. You see now, and all these doors shut, and see, that's another feature, but in the meantime, I can just, I've got a pin pad, I can open up and dial in a code to open the door. So I can go over here and do my stuff, and there we go. And I can open each and every one of these doors, different code each time. So if I go enter another code here, and I will be able to maybe, let's see if this works. Not sure, but here we go. Well, that doesn't work, but I can do something really, really cool. This well, let's open the door shut. I'll bring curtains up, and I could be using this thing and all, but I will actually be able to show you. I just pushed the button on this thing, So I actually pushed the button on this thing. It looks like it's totally all white, and my hand's all white, but it's really not. It's more of a tannish. And watch this. See? All 2 doors will close at once. So, oh no, I really like these doors now, but they're really old, so you don't need to get any ideas because I've got it anyways, but anyways, I've probably got progress, and thank you for watching our video.